Today we're going to install an air filter on this 2006 Yamaha V-Star 650 Classic. I've got a brand new air filter we just got in the mail, and we're going to pop off these 3 Allen bolts and get it installed. We're going to go ahead and use this size H3 Allen key. You can see it'll fit in here on our little tool. And these are pretty small screws. There's not a lot of tension holding these. This is just the lid to the air box. So loosen right up pretty quick and easy. Just like that. As you can see, we currently do not have an air filter in place, and that's why we needed one. Here's our generic replacement. I think we got this off of Amazon for, these are like $8, so very inexpensive option. This is basically a nice OEM style filter, and as you can see, it has the little cutout groove there, and it also has the little tab that we need. So if you notice here on these V-Star 650s, we want to go ahead and get our filter on here, and then we're gonna rotate it almost, and it's gonna sit. And if you'll notice, we got that little tab there. That's kind of our alignment tool, and just kind of sits on there, and you can see that tab, how that tab goes there, and there's that nice little air pocket of foam, so it's kind of keeping it in place. But at this point, now we can go ahead and put that lid back on here. And of course, inside our lid, you can see there's a little bit of wear from the original OEM filter doing its job and rubbing up on here. So we'll go ahead and line up our lid, get our screws back in place. I guess they're like little bolts. Get that top right in. Carefully get this bottom one in. And you don't need to crank on these that hard. Like I said, there's not a lot of tension holding these in. They really just need to be hand snug. That's all. I wouldn't get out your torque wrench, but that's just me. Once again, that was a H3 little Allen key on this little mini handheld. If anybody's interested, this is a pretty cool kit from Hyper Tough, a little cheapy kit. Double check all your screws, make sure they're nice and snug, and you're all set. Hopefully this helped one of you guys out there. Appreciate y'all watching.